Today, I will be showing you how to edit your profile on Preply. First, make sure you are logged in to your Preply account. Once you're logged in, go to the upper right corner of the screen and click on your profile button. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will take you to your main settings page where you can manage your account details. Inside the Settings section, you'll be able to explore different options. Under Account Settings, you can update your name, email address, and profile photo. You'll also see other sections such as Password, where you can change your login password, Email Settings, where you can manage notifications, and Payment Methods, where you can review or update your billing information. Take your time to review each section and make any changes you need. Once you're done updating your information, be sure to save your changes if required. And that is how to edit your profile on Preply. Thank you for watching.